Morning students, hope all of you are staying safe at your homes. Today in e-learning class of computer science we will do lesson 6, Introduction to MS PowerPoint. Children, you know what is MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a software used to create presentations. A presentation is a systematic display of information. Whatever we want to show, we have to display in a slide, and that a systematic representation of slides is called MS PowerPoint. It is in the form of slides, and each slide is a page of presentation that may contain text, graphic, images and sound. Everything we can include in our slide show. Text, we can add text, graphics, images, anything else, whatever we want to display. And we can start MS PowerPoint with start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Office, then PowerPoint 2010. And next is children, components of MS PowerPoint window. First is title bar. Title bar is at the top of the window, and it displays document name and program name. And there are on left side there is minimize button, then restore button, and then close button. And next is quick access toolbar. It has almost all the commonly used commands like save and undo. Then there is ribbon. It has tabs and divided into groups. Here is chart of PowerPoint, and this is file tab. All the names are displaying here, and this is slide, small slide, which is showing whatever we have created, and this is on which we will click, that slide will display here. And next is file tab. It is file menu and options like save and new options are here. And then next is slide tab. It on the left pane, it is small view of slides, and on right pane we can see whatever we have created. Next is outline tab, and it displays the text in slides. Status bar shows slide number and number of slides. And next is placeholder, and it is a dotted rectangular box where we can hold text, images and whatever we have created. And view button shows the view of slides. Next is creating a presentation. How can we create? We have to go to on file tab, then new option, then blank presentation, then create option. And children, next is inserting a new slide. We can add more slide if we want to create any slide between our old slides. First you have to go to home tab, then take new slide from slide group. A new slide will display and it will be added in our earlier slides. Children, we will continue this lesson next time. Okay, read it 2 times. Thank you children.